What's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by. It's me, Kenneth, the What's New Barbecue. Today, I've been wanting some ribs for quite some time, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to bust out the old copper Weber Kettle, and we're going to get these ribs seasoned up with some North Texas Barbecue Addict all-purpose rub, also known as the smoke shake. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscription button and that bell right next to it so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. Listen up, these ribs are going to turn out awesome. I already know it. Let's get this camera turned around and get them seasoned up. Alright guys, and here we have our St. Louis style ribs. I've already trimmed them up just lightly. Took the flap off the back side and chopped it right here and evened it off. And then we had some nasty fat right there I didn't want anything to do with either. We're going to go ahead and hit these St. Louis style ribs with some North Texas Barbecue Addict all-purpose rub. This is real special, guys. This is actually the first time it's been perfected in a seasoning distributor factory. So this is legit, and this is the final product. Let's go ahead and get this seasoned up. And if you haven't had this North Texas Barbecue Addict all-purpose rub, it's a seasoning that I made literally for anybody. Everybody's enjoyed it so far. It's got a nice sweet flavor to it with some salt, pepper, garlic, and then a little bit of heat in there hidden as well. So it'll be available for public purchase real soon. Right now I'm just having fun with it. We might do a giveaway on the channel soon. Or if you're not already a member of North Texas Barbecue Addicts on Facebook, go ahead and hop on there because we definitely are doing giveaways with this seasoning there. I'm going to go ahead and get this rack of ribs all seasoned up. The Weber Kettle is already fired up and we're rolling with some cherry wood today. So next time I see y'all, we'll be out at the Weber and we'll toss these ribs on. Alright guys, that seasoning is sweating nicely and our Weber Kettle's coming up to temperature. We're going to go ahead and get our ribs on. We're going to put them on the indirect side and kind of form them, shape them a little bit. The way you place them on the smoker while they're cooking is how they're going to cook. So we want to shape them up a little bit. That's what we're looking like, guys. Let me bring y'all in for a close-up and then we'll shut the kettle down and get to cooking. That's how they're looking after that seasoning sweat in. I'm going to go ahead and shut the lid down. I'll check back with y'all in 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, we're at the 2-hour mark and it's time to take a peek at our ribs. These are looking awesome so far. We're going to go ahead and spray them down with a little bit of apple juice just to rehydrate them. Just like that. Those are looking awesome, smelling great. Let me bring y'all in for a close-up so I can show you how they look, and we'll keep on cooking. That's what we're looking like, guys. I'm going to go ahead and shut the lid down. Man, look at that bark. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and shut the lid down, and we'll keep on cooking for 2 more hours. And I'll check on them at that point and see how they're looking. Golly. Alright guys, we're right under the 4-hour checkpoint. It's time to check on these ribs and see what they're looking like. Wow, those are looking awesome. What we're going to do now is go ahead and hit them with a little bit more of our rub. A little bit of extra pop of flavor towards the end. These are looking great. Let me bring y'all in for a close-up and we'll spritz them down with a little bit of apple juice and let them cook for about 20 more minutes. Man, oh man, those are looking good. Check that out. Awesome color, beautiful bark. Starting to get some decent pullback on them. Let's go ahead and spritz them down a little bit. Just a little bit, just to keep them from drying out. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down, let them roll for 20 more minutes, and then we'll pull them off and let them rest. And next time I see y'all, we'll be giving them a taste.
chicky boom, chicky boom, chicky boom.
Alright guys, we got the ribs here. Got them sliced off. Got a good bark. Wow. You got that North Texas Barbecue Addict all-purpose rub. It's got some sweetness, salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of heat at the end. And we didn't sauce these at all, so that's coming through real good. That's good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and hop out of here. As you can see, we're not at my house anymore. It's guys' night, and I gotta go. Until next time, y'all keep on barbecuing.
It was good. I need to know.
Sometimes